Good morning, children. Hope you're all fine, enjoying your learning and doing the worksheets given in the description box. Today, we will learn about birds. They have wings which help them to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. They have strong beak which helps them to peck food. They lay eggs to hatch new baby birds. Birds. Children, we will learn about few birds. Peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock is a large bird. It has beautiful long tail feathers which are blue and green in color. They spread them often. It is our national bird. Crow. This is a crow. These birds have shiny black feathers. They live in large groups. They are known for their loud voices and they are intelligent birds. Cuckoo. This is a cuckoo. These birds have grayish brown feathers. They don't make nest of their own. Their voice is very soothing and hence they are called singing birds. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. It is a small grayish brown bird with short tail. It has short, stout beak. It makes nests near houses or buildings. Eagle. This is an eagle. It flies high in the sky. They hunt small animals for food like rats, chicks. They have very good eyesight. Penguin. This is a penguin. They are the only birds that can swim but cannot fly. They live in cold places. Crane. This is a crane. They are world's tallest flying birds. These birds have long legs and long neck. They usually eat fish as food. Swan. This is a swan. Swans are beautiful water birds. Often they look graceful and peaceful while gliding across lakes. They have a long curved neck. It is a large flying bird. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. It is the world's largest non-flying bird. It has long, skinny legs with small wings. They don't fly but can run very fast. They have a long neck with strong beak. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It has a plump body with short legs and smooth feathers. In the olden days, it was used to transport letters. Parrot. This is a parrot, commonly green in color. Mostly they are known for their colorful feathers. They have curved beaks, strong legs and clawed feet. They are among world's most popular pet birds. These birds are considered as vocal learners as they imitate human voice. Cock. This is a cock. Their body is covered with feathers. The tail feathers are long, curved, and colorful. They crow in the mornings as the sun rises. Owl. This is an owl. It is grayish black or brown in color. It has flat face, large eyes and small sharp beak. They are very active in the night. They hunt small animals like frogs, rats and insects for their food. They are known as night birds. Duck. This is a duck. It is a water bird. They have stout bodies and webbed feet which helps them in swimming. They have soft feathers and flat beak. They eat water plants, small fish, insects and worms. Orioles. Answer the following questions. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird? Which is the night bird? The owl is a night bird. Which is the largest bird? The ostrich is the largest bird. Which birds swim in water? Swans, ducks, and penguins swim in water. Which bird is called the singing bird? The cuckoo is called the singing bird. Children, hope you have enjoyed learning about birds as much as I did. Now this is your activity. Paste the pictures of the birds you have learnt in your GK classwork book. Post me your video of identifying the birds you have learnt. Bye bye.